Hello and welcome back everybody. If an Excel file is not opening on your Windows, it may be caused by corruption, compatibility issue, or Excel settings. So in today's video, we are going to fix it by this step-by-step guide. So let's just dive right into the video and make sure to watch this video till the end. The first thing we can do is we can try opening it in a safe mode. So hit Windows plus R, and once you hit Windows plus R, you can just go ahead and type in Excel /save and hit OK. Once you do so, it should open up. If Excel opens, the problem is likely an add-in. So I can go to File in the top left, and from there, go ahead and click on Open it up and go to Options. Find the option from Options here. Click on it. And from Options, go ahead and select the option of Add-ins. And once you are under add-ins, you need to go ahead and go to COM add-ins. Here, find it up. Go to manage for that from here. Expand it up and select COM add-ins. Once you do so, you can click on go. And it should give you some options available. You can uncheck the suspicious add-ins like here. And once you do so, you can go ahead and click on OK. And you just need to go ahead and restart your Excel, and that should also open up a safe mode and fix your issue. Apart from that, what we can do is we can repair our Office. So press Windows plus I and open up your settings. Go over the apps from here. Open it up, and from apps, go over and find Microsoft Office. So go to apps, installed apps. And from there, just go ahead and find Microsoft Office. We have this one right here. Go ahead and click on three dot right beside it and click on Modify. Or you can just go ahead and click on Run or something like that. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and click on Repair option. So you can go ahead and click the option for Quick Repair or Online Repair and click on Repair and confirm it, and that should repair the Office, including your Excel as well. Apart from that, you can just go ahead and disable a protected view. Sometimes it may have protected view. So you can open up Excel. And then once you open up Excel, you need to go ahead and look out for options. From options, go to Trust Center. From Trust Center, go to Trust Center settings. And from Trust Center settings, go to Protected View. And from Protected View, here uncheck Enable Protected View for files from the internet. Enable Protected View for files in the potentially unsafe locations. Enable Protected View for Outlook attachments. After that, click on OK. And once you do so, you can go ahead and try reopening the file that you're trying to reopen on Excel. Apart from that, you can try uninstalling Office and restart the PC and reinstalling it. Or Excel, you can just go ahead and find Excel and try uninstalling it. Right click on it and look out for Uninstall option. Confirm it. Once it is installed, you can restart your PC and reinstall the Office, and that should also sometimes help you with the issue. So these are some of the solutions you can follow up if your Excel file won't open in your Windows. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.